Hey guys, a very quick tutorial on how to turn off the startup sound on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And at the left hand side you will have many options, and here we just need to click on personalization, and once you click on that, at the right hand side you will have an option called themes. So I'll click on that, and here at the top you will have sound Windows default. So you just need to click on that and play Windows startup sound. Just uncheck that, click on apply and OK, and the Windows startup sound is disabled. You can enable it by just clicking it again, and you can do the check mark, click on apply and OK. So we have successfully turned on and turned off the Windows startup sound. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.